Not every EDC list is built from real-world use, but this one is. In today's video, we're showing you 10 rugged EDC essentials that are actually used and carried by our human host in everyday life and demanding situations. From dependable lighting and versatile multi-tools to compact organization and emergency-ready gear, these are the items that earned a place through practical use, not hype. Whether you're building your first carry setup or looking to upgrade with gear that can handle daily challenges, this list is packed with proven tools designed to perform when it matters most. Number 1. Meet the Fenix E18RV2 Zero, your pocket-sized lighting powerhouse. First reason, ultra-compact size, perfect for true everyday carry. At just 56 grams, it disappears into your pocket. Clip it, carry it, or toss it in a bag. You get serious brightness without the bulky flashlight hassle. Second reason, 1,200 lumens deliver bold, reliable illumination fast. Dark trails, parking lots, power cuts, no problem at all. It throws a clean beam exactly where you need it. Multiple brightness modes give you control for every situation. From quick checks to full power lighting, it adapts instantly. Third reason, USB Type-C charging keeps life simple. Recharge with the same cable you already use daily. That means less clutter and more ready-to-go convenience. The battery indicator helps you stay prepared before surprises hit. Built for outdoor enthusiasts, commuters, and emergency-ready users. Its rugged aluminum body feels solid and confidence-inspiring. IP68 waterproof protection means weather will not slow you down. Drop it, use it hard, and trust it to perform. Intelligent heat control keeps the flashlight safer in hand. This is the kind of tool you keep everywhere. Backpack, glove box, desk drawer, or jacket pocket. It is small, but it never feels like a compromise. Need a dependable light for daily life? Need backup power for unexpected darkness? Need one flashlight that truly does it all? The E18RV2 Zero checks every box with style. Compact body, powerful beam, and effortless USB charging. That is why it stands out from ordinary mini flashlights. If you want smarter carry, this is your upgrade. Tap the link, grab yours, and light up smarter today. Number 2. Meet the EDC Multitool 7 inches 1. Pocket-sized chaos control. One tool, 7 functions, like a Swiss Army sidekick. Bright silver finish gives it a clean, tactical look. Built for men who like gear that actually earns attention. It combines a knife, wrench, and folding knife. You also get screwdrivers, bottle opener, ruler, and breaker. That means fewer pockets stuffed like a mechanic's junk drawer. Need a bolt adjusted? The wrench steps in fast. Loose screw? Use the slotted or Phillips screwdriver. Opening a bottle becomes instant victory. No extra tools needed. The built-in ruler handles quick measurements without drama. The knife is ready when packaging fights back. Made with 9-stage craftsmanship for serious durability. CNC integrated cutting brings precise edges and flawless finish. It laughs at heat and shrugs off corrosion. That means dependable performance, not a shiny paperweight. Safety locking keeps the blade from closing accidentally. Your hands stay safer during everyday use. In emergencies, it becomes a car escape helper. The glass breaker is ready for urgent situations. The seatbelt cutter adds another layer of roadside security. Keep it in your car, backpack, or pocket. It's compact enough for travel, hiking, and camping. Perfect for outdoor repairs when you need quick fixes. Great for campers who pack smart, not heavy. Hikers will love having 7 tools without bulky luggage. It also makes a sharp gift for men. Ideal for fathers, boyfriends, friends, and adventure lovers. If they like exploring, this tool matches the vibe. Practical, portable, and built to impress every day. Number 3. Night falls over the trail, and danger quietly gathers. A lone hand reaches for a promise of control. Something ancient waits in the dark, disguised as modern steel. The Provoke rests closed, calm, almost motionless. Then thumb meets the upper crossbar. A hidden mechanism wakes, like machinery remembering its purpose. The blade lunges forward in one smooth, decisive motion. Kinematic technology turns a simple draw into precision theatre. Modeled after the legendary karambit, built for today. Its black titanium nitride finish catches the last light. D. 2 Steel delivers stubborn durability and lasting edge retention. Every cut feels focused, deliberate, and ready. The 6061 aluminum handle keeps the grip strong. Lightweight in hand, yet made for hard use. Joe Caswell's design looks like innovation with a pulse. Born in Newbury Park, California, forged for real action. The flush pocket clip disappears into the handle. Carry stays discreet, secure, and always within reach. No awkward bulk, no wasted movement, no hesitation. When trouble closes in, the Provoke answers first. A discreet lever retreats the blade back into safety. Fast deployment, controlled closure, complete confidence. For outdoor trails, daily carry, or collector shelves, it blends performance, ingenuity, and unmistakable style. Every detail serves a purpose. Every line tells a story. The future of folding knives feels close enough to touch, and in the right hands, it feels unstoppable. CRKT Provoke. Serve, protect, and carry innovation forward. Discover the knife that moves before hesitation can. Get yours today. Number 4. Tired hands after pulling nails all day. Heavy steel tools make every job feel longer. Repeated impact leaves your elbow and shoulder sore. Precision drops when fatigue starts taking over. That is where Wrango Tools changes the game. This titanium cat's paw is 45% lighter than steel, only 155 grams, built for long shifts. Less weight means less strain on your body. Titanium also absorbs vibration better than steel, so you get smoother prying with less shock. The sharp V-claw grabs small finish nails fast. It also handles siding, decking, roofing, and framing. Even stubborn nails up to 20D come out easier. The side nail puller adds extra leverage instantly. That means more power with less effort. Perfect for demolition, renovation, and trim work. Precision matters when you want minimal material damage. This tool helps protect surrounding wood and surfaces. Dual nail digger ends increase everyday versatility. 2 strike surfaces give you more control on site. The built-in bolt remover adds another practical function. 1 compact tool covers more tasks in hand. It is tough, rust-resistant, and made to last. Built for contractors, carpenters, and remodelers alike. So your kit stays lighter and smarter. Work longer with less fatigue and better accuracy. Buy once, use it for years. Backed by a lifetime warranty for confidence. And 5% of profits help farmers in need. Wrango Tools delivers performance, comfort, and purpose. Number 5. Choosing a watch. Compare function, toughness, and daily practicality. First, regular fashion watches look nice, but often lack real utility. Some sports watches are strong, yet settings feel complicated. Others have alarms, but reminders are limited or inconvenient. The Casio G A21001A1ER balances style and everyday function. Its rugged black design fits commuting, training, and streetwear. Compared with slim dress watches, it looks far more durable. Compared with bulky digital models, it stays cleaner and sharper. The bold dial improves readability at a quick glance. A durable resin strap supports activewear without discomfort. The shock-resistant build suits outdoor use and daily movement. Unlike decorative watches, this one handles real schedules. Its countdown timer helps track intervals with precision. Set it from minutes up to 24 hours ahead. When time is up, an acoustic signal alerts instantly. Then it automatically counts back from the preset time. This makes it ideal for workouts and medication timing. Busy professionals also benefit from dependable time reminders. 5 independent alarms cover repeated tasks and appointments. That means fewer missed reminders throughout your day. Daily alarm support is stronger than basic watch models. Quartz accuracy keeps time stable for everyday use. So you get practical timekeeping without constant adjustment. In appearance, it stays sporty without looking overly technical. In function, it goes beyond a simple accessory. For fitness users, it supports intervals and structured routines. For busy professionals, it helps manage recurring schedules. For watch enthusiasts, it offers signature Casio toughness. If you want style plus real usefulness, this stands out. Choose the Casio G A21001 A1ER for smarter daily wear. Tap to get a watch built for comparison-winning performance. Number 6. Last hike. My tiny bottle emptied before mile 3. I was parched, frustrated, and still miles from camp. At the gym, I kept stopping for water breaks. My old bottle leaked all over my backpack. That was the moment I knew I needed better. Scrolling late one night, I stumbled on this Nalgene. The aubergine color instantly stopped my thumb. Then I saw the massive 4 8-ounce capacity. That huge, wide mouth opening looked ridiculously convenient. I could already imagine ice sliding in easily. The leak-proof lid sealed the deal fast. No spills, no mess, no soggy gear again. It felt rugged enough for trails and training, yet lightweight enough to carry everywhere daily. I ordered it immediately. Honestly, no hesitation. First use? Game changer from the very first sip. I filled it once and stayed hydrated longer. Long workouts became easier with fewer refill stops. Hikes felt smoother because I carried enough water. No leaks in my bag, ever, period. Cleanup was stupid easy after every workout. The wide mouth made scrubbing and refilling effortless. Plus, the BPA-free material tastes clean and fresh. No weird aftertaste ruining my water anymore. Graduation marks even helped me track intake precisely. Now I take it everywhere. Gym, trails, camping. It keeps up with my busiest, toughest days. If your bottle is holding you back, upgrade now. Why settle for small refills and annoying leaks? Grab the Nalgene silo and hydrate smarter today. Number 7. A tiny key organizer lands like rugged armor on the table. Wait, this is not just a key holder. It's Key Smart Rugged, built for serious everyday carry. The thicker titanium body feels instantly solid in hand. Front and back plates are reinforced for real durability. Yet it stays slim, clean, and pocket-friendly. Now watch it transform messy keys into one sleek stack. It holds 2 keys, then grows to 14. Perfect for car keys, house keys, and fobs. No jangling, no scratching, no more pocket chaos. The removable pocket clip makes carry feel effortless. Clip it, grab it, and move fast. Need a minimalist key fob setup? The included loop piece handles it beautifully. From the outside, it looks simple. Inside, it's engineered for smart, smooth organization. Then comes the built-in stainless steel bottle opener. One quick twist, and a moment opens up. That's utility with style, right on your keychain. Every detail feels upgraded for modern EDC life. It's compact enough for daily carry anywhere, strong enough for workdays, weekends, and road trips. Make it even better with KeySmart add-on tools. Quick release, pocket clip, nano pliers, and more. Build your own compact multi-tool key system, a smarter organizer for keys, gear, and gifting. For car owners, EDC users, and practical gift buyers. KeySmart Rugged turns clutter into confidence. Upgrade your keychain with strength, style, and function. Get KeySmart Rugged and carry smarter today. Number 8. Heading out? Keep safety ready with KeepGoing. This travel first aid kit keeps emergencies simple. First reason, it's stylish, compact, and incredibly practical. No bulky red box taking over your space. Its sleek case looks great in cars and homes. Second reason, it's packed with comprehensive care essentials. Bandages, burn relief, and more are all included. You're covered for everyday cuts, scrapes, and surprises. That means less panic, more confidence in the moment. Third reason, it's built for true travel convenience. Small enough for backpacks, suitcases, and glove compartments. Take it camping, hiking, or on every road trip. It's ready whenever life throws you a curveball. The stain-resistant, water-resistant case protects your supplies well. Everything stays organized, clean, and easy to grab fast. A helpful first aid guide adds extra peace of mind. Families love knowing they're prepared at home and away. Travelers appreciate the TSA-friendly size for smoother packing. Outdoor enthusiasts get a reliable backup for adventure days. And yes, it qualifies for HSA and FSA use. That makes smart preparedness even easier to choose. KeepGoing is family-owned, so safety comes first. You're not just buying a kit, you're buying confidence. Confidence for the car, the cabin, and the campsite. Confidence for little accidents and bigger emergencies too. If you value readiness, this kit belongs with you. If you travel often, don't leave safety behind. If you love the outdoors, pack smarter today. Grab your KeepGoing first aid kit now. Stay prepared, stay calm, and keep going. Tap to order and make safety part of every trip. Number 9. Still using a pouch that can't keep up? Small organizers work for basics, but fail on larger gear. Tools, cables, and bottles quickly outgrow standard pockets. MAXPEDITION Beefy Pocket Organizer changes that instantly. It's built bigger, tougher, and smarter than usual. Made from rugged 1000D ballistic nylon, that means water resistance and abrasion resistance. So your gear stays protected in harsh conditions. The clamshell design opens wide for fast access. No digging around, no wasted time. Inside, the main compartment holds bulky essentials easily. Flashlights, hand tools, knives, and cables fit better. A slip pocket adds extra storage on one side. A zippered pocket secures smaller items on the other. 9 elastic channels keep tools locked in place. 6 more vertical loops add even more order. That's superior organization in one compact pouch compared with ordinary organizers. Capacity is the real advantage. It carries more without becoming overly bulky. The exterior mesh pocket gives quick access storage. The loop field lets you add an ID patch. PALS webbing makes it fully MOLLE compatible. Attach it to packs, bags, or tactical setups. The oversized grab handle improves portability immediately. Dual YKK zippers deliver smooth, reliable opening. Built for outdoor use, tactical work, and everyday carry. It handles bigger jobs with confidence and control. If you need one pouch for serious gear, choose this. It's durable, spacious, and highly adaptable. Upgrade your setup with MAXPEDITION today. Add to cart now and organize smarter. Number 10. Still choosing a fire starter for real outdoor emergencies? Basic lighters are easy, but they fail when wet. Matches are cheap, but they disappear fast in survival. Cheap ferro rods work, yet many feel awkward. You need something reliable, compact, and field-ready. This Texas bushcraft kit compares differently. It combines ferro rod, striker, tinner bag, and bracelet. First, the 4.8-inch ferro rod delivers strong sparks. Its cord lanyard keeps the fire starter secured. Unwound, the cord gives you extra emergency length. Next, the striker tool improves spark control instantly. Unlike flimsy scrapers, it feels solid and precise. The wooden handle design adds grip and stability. That means easier use in rain, cold, or gloves. Now compare storage options. Loose tools rattle around and get lost quickly. This cowhide leather tinder bag keeps everything organized. It's rugged, portable, and built for outdoor carry. Need wrist-worn backup? The paracord bracelet helps. It adds wearable survival cord for camping readiness. The stainless steel shackle improves durability and adjustability. For extra utility, the 6-in-1 tool adds versatility. Use it as a whistle, scraper, ruler, or opener. That's more value than a single-purpose fire starter. In real use, the setup stays compact and dependable. You get ignition tools, storage, and backup survival gear. For campers and survivalists, that combination matters most. It's built for emergencies, bushcraft trips, and hikes. If you want one kit, this is the smarter buy. Reliable fire starting starts with the right gear. Choose Texas Bushcraft for dependable outdoor preparedness. Order now and upgrade your survival kit today. That wraps up our list of 10 rugged EDC essentials, actually carried and trusted in real-world situations. The best everyday carry gear isn't about carrying more, it's about carrying smarter, with tools that stay reliable, practical, and ready whenever you need them. If you found a new favorite or got ideas for improving your own setup, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more EDC content, and share your must-carry essentials in the comments. We'd love to see what makes your everyday loadout.